Hello, I'm going to explain add two numbers today. Okay, let me read the problem. You are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are sorted in the reverse order, and each of their nodes contain a single digit. Add the two numbers and return it as a linked list. You may assume that the two numbers do not contain any leading zero, except the number 0 itself. Okay, let's see the example. The input linked list is 243 and 564. So the output linked list 708 because 342 plus 465 would be 807. Okay, let's see the basic idea. Let's see the data structure. We have two linked lists as the input data, and we should create another linked list as a result containing the calculated multiple digit numbers from the input linked list. We have to calculate each digit numbers while traversing from head to the end. Digits contained is already reverse order, so we can add up sequentially from the lower digits to the higher digits. So we can think about the while loop. Continuing the end of longer linked list, V1 and V2 stores each digit of a link node. Note that if the lengths of two lists are not same, we can meet the null pointer. So we have to check if the node pointer is valid or not. In this case, we have to set the value as 0. As you can see in the diagram, the second linked list is shorter than the first one. So in the while loop, if the link pointer is null, we have to set the value 0. And then the summation is calculated by V1 plus V2. And also the overflow should be added. In this example, 4 plus 6 would be 10, creating carrier to the next digit calculation. Overflow is calculated at the previous calculation. If the sum is bigger than 9, overflow has 1. In other case, the overflow is set 0. And then we have to move the pointer to the next node, only if the pointer value is valid. And I missed the explanation of L3 pointer, which is for the newly created link node to store calculated digits. And the L3 pointer should also compose the linked list to return as answer after the while loop is over. Okay, let's see the code. Implementation is almost the same as the pseudocode. A head pointer is added to store the starting node of the result linked list. And this part has been added while testing my code because I got the wrong answer. In case of overflow occurring in the last calculation of a link node, in that case the overflow is discarded. So we have to add the additional node to store the overflow. It would be the last node and return to the head pointer as answer. This code has the linear time complexity. The runtime is 24 milliseconds and is faster than the 66.20%. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.